Here we can see we have this issue with the subtype group table in our web map. If we actually open up the web map and try and view these tables, we can see that there is an error. I'll go into the Tables tab and we can see an error occurred loading this table. We are going to fix this issue. I'll head back to the Python script. Here I'm accessing ArcGIS Online. I'm then getting my web map as an item object by feeding in the item ID. I'm then using the item object getData method to return the definition for the web map. It returns it as a dictionary and it mimics the JSON web map specification. If there are tables in our definition, then iterate over each table, and if the layerType property appears in that table definition, we are going to delete it. It is this layerType property that causes that issue. It does not appear in a table without that bug. It only appears when the SubtypeGroupTable issue occurs. I'll run the script. The script is complete. I'll head back over to ArcGIS Online and check out the result. I'm simply going to refresh this page. Click into the Tables tab, and lo and behold, we have our tables back working just fine.